Hi, my name is Regan. So today we're going to be talking about a real estate management system I built using PHP, a Laravel PHP framework. So I'll be showing how it works, functionalities, and everything in it. So this is the first version of the website, of the software web application. So I'll be reviewing it and then you'll be telling me how it looks. So comment below if you're interested in such services, or maybe if you need a custom made software like any other to manage any other business or any kind of software that you need. So let's begin. So this is an interface. This is the dashboard of the system. So as you can see these are properties, rent records, tenants, utilities, SMS. So you can be able to trace and see how many about this. So you can see the utility transactions that have been done on that month, and also the total due on the rent part. So when you scroll down, you're able to see the occupancy trends. Like as you can see, these are different properties. The properties are available, and also you can see the latest tenants we've added, recent transactions, recent properties that have been added, and also you can see the upcoming lease upcoming lease expiration. You can be able to trace and see which client, which tenant next month will be vacating. So you'll be able to know that upcoming next month someone will be leaving your building. So you'll be able to find a solution for that. Maybe like add vacant. So let's go to properties page. Yeah. So this is a properties page. As you can see, you can be able to search. Like if you have a lot of properties you're managing, be able to search. So these are available properties. These are just 5 of them. You can be able to filter by address. Filter, for example, when I say let me search this by this name here, I'm gonna paste it there. Then I go search and see these the properties under that location. So there's a lot of things you can do. Also, you can be able to view that kind of. You can see these property details, maybe like location, property manager name, how many floors, how many units. You can go back to here, and then you also be able to edit. So when you go to edit, as you can see, property name, address, you can be able to update the property like that. So when you go to, you can be able to delete a property. You don't have to do that right now. So you can be able to add a property, a new one. So you can property name, address, property manager name, floors, and total units. So that's all about properties. So what you're gonna do with the next thing, and you can go to tenants. So let's go to tenant. Let's go to rent record. So on the rent record, you'll be able to see all the rents records on previous and the current month. So also you can be able to search a specific tenant and see their rent record amount. You can be able to filter. You can be able to view. For example, let me see. For example, this Noah here. Let me view. So when I view, I can see the current details, due date and status, and paid or paid, and also the previous rent records. As you can see, amount. This is the previous rent records and max and paid. Let's go back. So you can be able to, for example, this one. Let me see the one like this one. Eva Petrov. I can be able to mark as paid. As you can see, Eva it's marked as paid, and then it will be shift to send receipt, not send reminder. Like this will be send receipt. So when I send receipt here, they'll get an email about the receipt and everything. You can mark as paid. Also, you can send a reminder to them, and it's fully functional. So you can also edit the details of a tenant, the rent record. And also, you can be able to add a new rent record. You can select the tenant you want to add, amount paid, amount due, blah blah blah, like that. So, and also let's go back to rent. Also, that's it. Also filter etc. So when you go to tenants page, you can see all the tenants you have with different pages. As you can see, this is the first version of the website. This is the first version. So you can be able to see the tenant details. You can filter by name, email, filter by phone number, properties, like that, etc. You can be able to view tenant details like this. You can see their details, the penalty and everything. You can be able to edit their details if there's something is wrong, and like that, and you're able to click update. Yeah. And also can be able to add a new tenant, name, phone number. You can be able to assign them a property on which they're renting, a unit number, and you can't give them a unit number that's already been taken, because the system will just tell you that unit is taken, or there's no vacant at the moment. So it's a very functional system, so you can be able to assign a property and fill other details. So that's all about tenants, and there are more things you can do with that. So let's go to employees. So on the employees part, as you can see, same functionality: view, edit, add employee, add their salary. For example, you can view a leasing manager and see how much they have to be paid, and then you can be paying them. There's a lot of things. This is the first version, of course, and you're going to be adding more features and functionalities. So let's go to transaction. On the transaction part, you'll be adding a transaction on our utilities. So as you can see, you can select different tenant names, you can select the utilities that are available, and you can add utilities. So for example, I can add a transaction here, or let me go back. You can be able to view the transaction, and then you can be able to edit and delete. So when you go to utilities part, you will be able to see all the utilities that you have, or delete or add new utilities, or just any functionality that you need. So there's a lot of things you can do here, and also when you come to an SMS part here, you'll be able to send SMS to a specific tenant. For example, let me just send an SMS. You'll be able to choose which SMS you want to send, like this or all, and then you can type message, then you click send. So an SMS will be sent automatically. But there's a lot. Also the reminders. Let me go to tenants part. To your rent record part. You can be able to send reminder on email or SMS. So it will be both functionality. So that's all about the system, and there's a lot of being added, and yeah. So on the dashboard is where you preview the functionalities, and then just anything that you need to preview. And we can also come up with a custom made for you, just for you, like the features that you need, the functionality that you need, and more that you need. So what you just need, just contact us. I'm gonna put my number here, so you'll be able to contact me or email me or visit our website if you need more information about the system, or any different websites, like any other functionality that you need, any features, as long as it's an ICT related, we're gonna have to do it for you. So that's all about the system, and I hope you enjoyed. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll be dropping more of these. So I hope I see you in the next one. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.